Hello, grade 8. It's good to be with you again. I hope everyone is feeling good. Okay, so today we will be talking about print making. But before we do so, I want you to get your MAPE book and please do open it to page 132. Alright, so let's start by defining what a printmaking really is. A printmaking is a type of art that uses an ink block or plate to print an image. This allows multiple printings, unlike drawing or painting. Printing at the same time is a technique in which an ink image from a prepared surface is transferred into another surface, such as paper or fabric. So the Chinese developed the art of printmaking. Now there are four main types of printmaking. The process and materials of these techniques influence the appearance of the final print. So prints are impressions made from plates, which can be metal, wood, stone, or other materials. So let's start with the first type, which is relief painting. So this is the printing from a raised surface. A simple example of relief painting is a rubber stamp pressed into a stamp pad and pressed onto a piece of paper. Now look at the pictures. Alright. Letterpress is also a relief type. The image to be printed is raised from a background. Wood is the medium most often used in relief painting. Flexography at the same time is an example of relief printing, just like what you can see in the pictures. We also have here examples of items printed with flexography. Alright. Another type of making prints is the intaglio. To make a print, ink is pushed into the lines of the design. The surface is then wiped clean, so the only areas with ink are the lines. A sheet of paper which has been soaked into water is then placed on the plate, which is run through a printing press. At the same time, this is the reverse of relief printing. Why? Because the image to be printed is scratched or etched into a surface. Metal plates are used in intaglio printing. Just like this. Scratch into metal. Okay, let's move on to the third one, which is phonography or the lithography printing. In lithography, an image is drawn on the surface with a greasy material, grease crayon, and then water and printing ink are applied. So the greasy parts absorb the ink and the wet parts do not. In this method, the artist draws the image to be printed on a limestone, zinc, or aluminum slab with a special greasy crayon. Lithography allows the artist to blend slowly dark and light values of hue. We have here an example of offset lithography press. Alright. Another example. These are the finished product. Now let's move on to the stencil or serigraphy. So seri means silk. Serigraphy, sometimes called silk screening. It is a type of stencil printing. In screen printing, the artist transfers the design through various processes on a silk screen. The areas not to be printed are blocked off so that a kind of stencil remains. It is also the process which a printmaking technique in which a mesh cloth is stretched over a heavy wooden frame and the design. Photo emulsion painted on or affixed by stencil. And these are some of the silk screens that are more graphic in design. Alright. So silk screen at the same time as the art is called serigraphy. So these are the following example of final print. And that's all for today, grade 8. Please do visit your ebook in our LMS for works and assignments and Exceed Journal for more updates. At the same time, I want you to open the informative videos wherein I uploaded there the different processes of how to make printmaking. So thank you and see you on our next lesson. God bless you all. Bye.